Hi, it's Daniel from DK Building. Quick update from our renovation of 1930 semi to Passivhaus standard in Liverpool. Last week we took delivery of insulation, wood fibre insulation made by Gutex, I believe in Germany. Four types of insulation, squeegee one to go between the roof joists. Actually, that's the utility roof which will get this insulation. On top of that, we'll have another rigid type of wood fiber insulation, which is about 100 mil thick. Um, Another type is 100 mil thick to go on external walls, and one more type, 100 mil thick as well, which will be used on some of the internal walls. We also spent £40 on a fancy saw from Sweden. Uh, Plenty to do in coming months.